all the birds at this bird feeder. Actually, there are not as many as there were a moment ago. A while ago, there were 9 birds at this feeder, and it just took a long time for my iPad to come on, and then it didn't record. I thought it did. So there are only like 4 birds right now, but I saw a red one just as I came back online, and he's sitting on top of the hook. So there are only 5 birds. That's okay. There were a lot a little earlier. I'll fill up the bird feeder with more food. And if you see over there in the corner, by the post, let me get my stuff out of the way. There's a little bowl of water. If you feed birds, there's a bird over there going to get a drink, maybe. If you feed birds or any other animals, it'd be really nice to give them a source of water. Or make sure there's a source of water nearby. And this is YouTube channel, Pay Yourself First, a channel about investing and specifically investing for financial freedom. In other words, investing to let your money make money for you, make your money work for you rather than you work for money. And since there are only 3 birds here, well, there's no one waiting in line behind them pushing them, so they're just taking their time, it looks like. Having a nice leisurely breakfast. Well, we hope to see you later. We'd love for you to visit our channel and subscribe, and I'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.